Students, today we are going to discuss some problems based on sums. Okay. First one, sum of first 50 natural numbers. Can you find out the sum of first 50 natural numbers? What is the sum of first n natural numbers? Sum of first n natural numbers. Sum of first n natural numbers is half n into n plus 1. Now can you say what is the sum of first 50 natural numbers? Okay. Sum of first 50 natural numbers. Half into 50 into 50 plus 1, that is half into 50 into 51. Now let us divide 50 by 2. What is 25? That is 25 into 51. Okay, what is the product? 25 into 51, 1 into 5, 5, 1 into 2, 2, 5 into 5, 25, then 2, 2 into 5, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. So, 5, 7, 2, 1. So, 1275. Okay. The sum of first 50 natural numbers is 1275. The next one, sum of first 20 odd numbers. Sum of first 20 odd numbers. What is the equation? Sum of first n odd numbers. How we can find out? Yes, this is n square. Now what is our question? Sum of first 20 odd numbers. Sum of first 20 odd numbers. So put n as 20. That is 20 square. 20 square is 400. Okay. Sum of first 20 odd numbers is 20 square, that is 400. Next, find the value of 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus etc. plus 75. Okay. Or find the sum of odd numbers from 1 to 75. How can we find out the sum? 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus etc. plus 75. What is our equation? Sum of first n odd numbers is n square. So first we have to find out the number of odd numbers from 1 to 75. How? N equals. Did you remember how to find out the number of odd numbers from 1 to 75? Yes, this is the 75 is the last number. 75 minus, then 1 is the first one, by, what is the common difference? 1, 3, 5 plus etc. plus 75. Common difference is 2, then plus 1. 75 minus 1, 74 by 2 plus 1. 74 by 2, 37 plus 1, that is 38. So, there are 38 odd numbers from 1 to 75. Here also we can find out the number 75 plus 1 by 2. 75 plus 1 by 2 to find out the number of odd numbers from 1 to 75. This is 76 by 2 is also 38. Okay, anyway you can find out the number of odd numbers. So 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus etc plus 75 is 38 square. Okay. Sum of 1, 3, 5 etc up to 75. Then odd numbers. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus etc plus 75 is 38 square. Then what is the square of 38? Square 8 into 8 64 then 6 3 into 8 24 plus 6 30 3 into 8 24 2 3 into 3 9 plus 2 11. So 4 0 plus 4 4 3 plus 1 4 then 1. That is 1444. Okay. Sum of first 20 odd numbers is 20 square 400. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ ഫസ്റ്റ് 20 ഓഡ് നമ്പേഴ്സ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞതുകൊണ്ട് നമുക്കതിൻ്റെ സ്ക്വയർ കണ്ടാൽ മതി. പക്ഷേ ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിൽ 1 to 75 എന്നാണ് തന്നിട്ടുള്ളത്. പക്ഷേ ഇതിൽ നമുക്ക് എത്ര ഓഡ് നമ്പേഴ്സാണെന്ന് അറിയില്ല. അപ്പോൾ അതാണ് നമ്മൾ ആദ്യം ഇവിടെ കണ്ടെത്തിയത്. നമ്പർ ഓഫ് ഓഡ് നമ്പേഴ്സ് ഫ്രം 1 to 75 is 38. So 38 square, that is 1444. Okay. Next, sum of first 30 even numbers. How can we find out sum of first 30 even numbers? Yes. First n even numbers is sum of first n even numbers is n into n plus 1. That is here n 30. So 30 into 31. It's the product 930. Okay. Sum of first 30 even numbers is 30 into 31. 31 into 3. 1 into 3 3, then 3 into 3 9. So 930. Sum of first 30 even numbers is n into n plus 1, that is 30 into 31. So 930. Next, sum of even numbers from 1 to 70. How can we find out sum of even numbers from 1 to 70? What's the value? Or how many even numbers are there from 1 to 70? Okay, there are 35 even numbers. 35 even numbers from 1 to 70. So the sum of even numbers from 1 to 70 is 35 into 35 plus 1. That is 35 into 36. Now we can find out the product. (35 into 36). 5 into 6 33. 3 into 6 18. 18 plus 3 21. Next 3 into 5 15. 1. 3 into 3 9. 9 plus 1 10. So 0 6 2 1. Sum is 1260. Okay. So sum of first 50 natural numbers is 1275. Sum of first 20 odd numbers is 20 square, that is 400. The next 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus etc. 75 is 38 square, that is 1444. Or there are 38 odd numbers from 1 to 75, that is 38 square. The next one, sum of first 30 even numbers, that is 30 into 31, 930. The last one, sum of even numbers from 1 to 70. Okay, here there are 35 even numbers from 1 to 70. So 35 into 36, that is 1260. Next question. Find the sum of first 100 terms of an arithmetic sequence 1, 4, 7, 10, etc. Okay. In the last class we have discussed the sum of first n terms. Sum of first n terms of any arithmetic sequence is half n xn plus x1. Okay, here we have the number of terms is 100. That is sum of first 100 terms, half into 100 into x100 plus x1. Now we have to find out the 100th term of the given sequence 1, 4, 7, 10, etc. Did you remember how to find out the 100th term of this sequence x100? How? We already discussed that. Yes, f plus n minus 1 into d. That is, what is the first term? Okay, first term 1, then common difference 1, 4, 7, 10, etc. What is the common difference of the sequence? 3. Okay, so x100 is f plus n minus 1 into d, or nth term xn is f plus n minus 1 into d. Now we have to find out 100th term 1 plus 100 minus 1 into nth term f plus n minus 1 into d, that is 100th term is 1 plus 100 minus 1 into 3. That is 1 plus 100 minus 1, 99 into 3. 99 into 3, 9 into 3, 27, 2. Then next 3 into 9, 27 plus 2, 29. That is 1 plus 297. This is 298. 100th term of the sequence 1, 4, 7, 10, etc. is 298. Now we have to find out the sum of first 100 terms. Therefore, sum of first 100 terms is half into 100 into, what is the 100th term? Yes, we got 298. 298 plus first term 1. Now let us divide 100 by 2. We get 50. So 50 into 298 plus 1, 299. And what is the product? 299 into 5. What is the value? 9 into 5. 45. 4. Then 9 into 5, 45 plus 4 49, then again 4, 2 into 5 10, 10 plus 4 14, so 14,950. The sum of first 100 terms of the arithmetic sequence 1, 4, 7, 10, etc. is 14,950. Sum of first n terms is half into n into xn plus x1. Sum of first 100 terms, we substitute 100 for n. That is, the number of terms in this question is 100. That is half into 100 into x 100 plus x1. Then 100th term 298. So sum is half into 100 into 298 plus 1. That is 14,950. Okay. Next, find the sum of first n terms of an arithmetic sequence 5, 9, 13, etc. Okay. First, sum of first n terms is, what is the equation? Sum of first n terms, half n xn plus x1. Okay. Now, x1 is the first term, xn is the nth term. What is our question? Sum of first n terms. So, first x1 is 5. Then what is the common difference of the sequence? 5, 9, 13, etc. What is the common difference? 4. The next nth term. What is the equation of the nth term? dn plus f minus d. What is d? 4. 4n plus 5 minus 4. That is 4n plus 1. The nth term of the given sequence is 4n plus 1. Now let us substitute here. Half into n into xn is 4n plus 1 plus x1. It is first term 5. Next, half into n into 4n plus 5 plus 1 6. Now listen this one, 4n plus 6. 2 is common in both the terms, 4n and 6. So let us take 2 outside. Half into n into 2, then in bracket 2n plus 3. Okay, 2 into 2 4, then 2 into 3 6n. So 2 into 2n plus 3. Next, 2 and 2 cancel. That is n into 2n plus 3. n into 2n plus 3. That is 2n square plus 3n. n into 2n is 2n square and n into 3 is 3n. Okay. Here n into 2n. This is 2n square. Then 2n square plus 3n. So, the sum of the first n terms of the arithmetic sequence 5, 9, 13, etc. is 2n square plus 3n. Did you remember our general form? What is that? Pn square plus qn. Now, in our question, the nth term, sum of first n terms is 2n square plus 3n. Okay. Next one. Find the sum of first n terms of an arithmetic sequence 3, 10, 17, etc. First term 3. Then what is the common difference? 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. Common difference 7. Now we have sum of first n terms is half n into xn plus x1. Then xn is dn plus f minus d, that is 7n plus f3 3 minus 7. So 7n plus 3 minus 7 minus 4, that is 7n minus 4. So half into n into xn 7n minus 4 plus 3, that is half into n into 7n minus 4 plus 3. Minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1, that is half into here 7n square minus n into 1 n, or 7n square minus n by 2. So the sum of the first n terms of the sequence 3, 10, 17 etc. is 7n square minus n by 2. Today's class is over. Thank you.